I'm gonna show you how infinite health items appearance high. Then that you choose your character and you choose your opponent, then your battlefield.
I'm gonna show you how to second gym. Okay, this is lesson. Begin! Hey, I'm sorry. That is not infinite health. It's infinite chakra. Okay?
Yes, it is infinite chakra. See, it's infinite chakra.
So the life of Sasuke is...
There you go. You win now. Thank you guys for watching.
Okay, thank you.
I will make another video next time. Okay, bye.